got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. What's going on, man?
Nothing. What's going on?
Yeah, you were telling me about the build, man. What you got in here?
NSV6s, 8 of them in a Jacquard 6th order with a Ruthless 10Ks per on 600 amp hours of C-Max.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's it right there.
Thank you.
Let them know where they can find the build at on social media, man.
Charles Eugene Smith on Facebook.
Let them hear the other song, the 15 and the other one. The 15, 18, 24, 41. I got some SDDNs coming, so you gonna
swap it out again?
Yeah, they just ain't got here yet.
I haven't had either new.
I say whatever, cause I'm not a judge. She just wants another bottle.
Yes, sir.
That's down to 15.
There's it.
Thank you, man, for coming over.
Appreciate y'all, man.
That gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.